You're here in Crete. You have tasted Cretan olive oil. What do you think about it? What are your impressions?
I think the Cretan olive, Terra Creta's olive oil is very good. I think it's quality, you know, because I taste many different olive oils from Spain, Italy, so it's much deeper.
Do you think that it has more prospects than other olive oils in the Mediterranean?
I think they are working now quite in a professional way because they go out there. Now they are creating some big markets also in Finland. So definitely in a couple of years they will be very famous in whole Europe.
What do Finns believe about olive oil, and especially?
Actually, it's very interesting because half of my friends they don't use olive oil because they don't want to get fat. So I'm always telling them, hey, you should add some olive oil. It's very, very healthy and it doesn't make you fat. So there is kind of like two beliefs. Another one, yes, it's healthy, use it little bit, and others they don't use it at all. But what I learned here in Crete, that people using so much olive oil. So the amounts we are using in Finland, it's nothing. So from now on, I think I will put olive oil even in my porridge in the morning. So
do you believe that Mediterranean and especially Cretan diet you can have it also in Finland, or it's impossible?
I think everything is possible in this life. So yeah, I think it's just like a couple of changes I need to make. Like first thing is to have olive oil, a lot of in my kitchen, and always a lot of veggies because you are using a lot of plants and everything. So I think not so big changes I need to make, just small ones.
What are the main differences that you've maintained in olive oils, especially in the Mediterranean, the olive oils that you have tasted?
Actually, I need to tell you a story. Every time I visit my grandmother, she is almost like 90 years old. So of course she's not used to use olive oil. So then I buy one bottle. So now I remember what's the color of the olive oil that she is using. So it's yellow. So what I learned here, so it's supposed to be like more like green. So there is a big difference. So now I wouldn't buy those cheap olive oils anymore because I know that there is something added that they are not natural, and yeah, you know the story. Yeah.
And what about the taste in your mouth?
You know, I think it was like maybe 5 years ago. It was in a food fair in Finland. I tasted like this very high quality olive oil, but I wasn't used to the taste because it's so strong. But since I learned, I think it's the same with the wine. When you learn a little bit, you wouldn't go further back in the bad quality. Yeah.
People say here in Crete that olive oil is the gold of the island. Do you agree with that?
I think it's a well-kept secret for many people, like even for Finnish people. I think it's definitely gold because you can use it also on your skin. Actually, I prepared some creams that I will put on my face and stay young forever. So it's a gold.